Welcome students, welcome to Confidence Academy. Today I am going to discuss second method of interest on drawings, that is the when fixed amount is withdrawn quarterly. In last video we have seen that we have discussed about when a fixed amount is withdrawn every month, but here each quarter or every quarter. Let us discuss about what do we mean by quarter like that. First I would like to request you, if you like my videos, if you are understanding accountancy easily, then please don't forget to subscribe and please forward to your friends also, share with your friends. Next we will see that problem. Interest on drawings, there are 4 situations. In the last class we have discussed when a fixed amount is withdrawn every month. Here every month formula is total drawings into rate into 1/12 and applied formula. What do you mean by applied formula? Applied formula means if in the problem it is given as beginning of every month, then we have to use 13/2 at the place of applied formula, right? And next if in the problem it is given as middle of every month, then we have to use 12/2 at the place of applied formula, right? If in the problem it is given as end of the every month, then we have to use 11/2 at the place of applied formula. Okay, means here it is given total drawings, right? But today I am going to discuss about when fixed amount is withdrawn quarterly. What do you mean by quarter? Quarter means 1/4 portion is called as quarter. Example, if we take 100, in this quarter value is the 25, 25 means if we add 4 25 it becomes 100, like that only. If we consider 2 months, there are total 12 months in a year, 12 months, right? In 12 months if we divide it into 4 parts, 4 parts means each part is considered as 3 months, that 3 months is called as a quarter. Means 3 months plus 3 months plus 3 months plus 3 months, total 12 months, means 1/4 portion is called as a quarter, right? Let us discuss what it is saying in the problem. When fixed amount is withdrawn quarterly, just observe the formula here. In monthly drawings there is total drawings in the formula, but in the quarterly method there is a total product, right? Done. Okay, we will see the we will see now about when fixed amount is withdrawn quarterly. Okay, see here. First we will discuss there are 2 situations in quarterly. In monthly there are 3 situations. What are those? When a fixed amount is withdrawn beginning of every month, middle of every month, end of every month. There are 3 situations, but in the quarter method there are only 2 situations, beginning of each quarter and end of each quarter, right? Beginning of each quarter means once at a 3 months. Just we will see here. See here, if we talk about a financial year means it starts on 1/4 and ends on 31st 3. If we calculate this 4 month of 2019 to this 3 month of 2020, there will be total months is 12 months. Therefore in India there are 12 months for one financial year. Okay, let us see. Next, beginning of each quarter. What do you mean by each quarter? Means here 1/4 2019 to 31st 3 2020, how many months will become? Just see, 4 5 means business started on 4th month, 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14, not like that. Okay, after 12 1 2 3 means it starts on 4th April month and ends with the March month. Okay, end of the March month. So if you count these are the 12 months. Then what it is saying, quarterly means every 3 months is called as one quarter. This one first quarter, this 3 months second quarter, and this 3 months third quarter, and this one is the fourth quarter. Means if in the problem it is given as a quarterly, means only that partner withdraws 4 times. Means if you withdraw at the on the 4th month, next he withdraw in the 7th month, he leave 2 months. If he withdraw on 7th month, next he withdraw on 10th month. If he withdraw on 10th month, he withdraws 1st month. It is called as beginning of each quarter. If in the problem it is given as end of each quarter, then when the first quarter ends, means first quarter starts on 4th month and end in 6th month. Therefore, the first quarter ends in 6 months. Then he withdraw first amount. In which method? End of each quarter method. Second amount he withdraws on 9 months, because second quarter ends, starts with 7 month and ends with 9 month, and third quarter start with 10th month and end with 12 months, and fourth quarter start with first month and end with 3rd month. Means here also he withdraws 4 times. If in the problem it is given end of the quarter, means we have to take ending dates. Just I will say here which date is to be taken. Just here date and month. Just this formula you should buy it, because if in the problem it is given beginning of each month, means these dates only will come. Means 1/4/2019. Means if any partner withdraw amount on 1/4 month, from 4th month up to ending month we have to calculate how many months will become 12 months, right? Like that only second withdraw amount on 1/7, because after 3 months second quarter will start on 7 month, means 4, 5, 6, after leaving 3 months it starts on 7 months. So we take that. Okay, if any partner withdraw amount on 7 months, up from the 7 months we have to calculate up to next year 3rd month. Okay, how many months will become? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Clear? Okay, means here it come 9 months. Next quarter will start on 10th, means after 3 months, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 10th means there from 10th we have to calculate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 months. Is it clear? Right. Next quarter will start on 1st 1/1/2020. See, if in the problem it is given beginning of each quarter, means these days and these outstanding months will come to solve the problem, right? 1/4, 1/7, 1/10 and 1/1. Just keep it in mind. If in the problem it is given end of each quarter, then dates will little bit changes, because we think we get confused here. If we see beginning of each quarter, means we think 1/4. If in the problem it is given end of each quarter, means what we think 34, we think 34, but it's not correct. Why? Because quarter, end of quarter, means if quarter start on 4th month, ends in the 6th month of last day. Therefore, end of the quarter date we have to take end of the month, like this. Means I will show here 36/2019, because first quarter ends in the problem it is given as the end of each quarter. When will the quarter will end? End of the each quarter, means after 3 months. If starts on 4th month, 4th, 5th, 6th, ending of the 6th, ending date is 36/2019. Means here next date 39 after, means second see here, if you compare here 1/7/2009, means second quarter will start on 1/7. When will it end? When will it end, sir? Just see 7, 8, 9, end of the 9th month, right? Therefore, we take 39/2019, and third quarter will end 31/12/2019, and fourth quarter will end 31/3/2020. Just in the problem, if it is given beginning of month, you should keep it in mind these days, and if it is given as end of each quarter, you should keep it in mind these dates. See here, month also little bit changes, it becomes 9 months. How it becomes 9 months? Because the partner has withdrawn on the month of 6th, then we don't calculate interest on drawings for the month of 6th month. Why? Because he has withdrawn on the end of the date, means he withdrawn on 30th. He don't give the interest of 6th month, that is the June month. He won't give the interest of that month because he has withdrawn at the ending date. Therefore, we have to leave this 6 months and we have to calculate from 7 months. Like that only, second withdrawal is on the in the 9th month. Okay, in 9 month it becomes 6 months, because if he withdraw on the 9th month, then we leave this month because he has withdrawn at the end of the month. Therefore, we leave this month and remaining months we should calculate. Like that only, just same. Okay, if you are getting confused, then you have to follow that format only, right? Keep it in mind and take, if in the problem it is given beginning of each quarter, means you have to take 1 4 1 7 1 10 1 1 and day months 12 9 6 3. If it is given as 30 end of the each quarter, means you have to take 36 39 and 31 12 31 3. Months will become 9 6 3 and 0. Why 0? Because it is the end of the year, financial year, and end of the year he has taken the amount. Therefore, there are no months to calculate interest on drawings. Is it clear? Right. In next slide, we will solve one problem. One problem should be solved on the beginning of each month and another problem will solve on the end of the each month. Just see, read the question. What it is saying: Rizwan and Rahman has started business on 1/4/2019. Who? Rizwan and Rahman. Their profit sharing ratio is equally. No need any profit sharing ratio because we are calculating interest on drawings. Okay. Next, see here, Rahman has withdrawn rupees 2000. He has withdrawn rupees 2000 when beginning of each quarter. Right, you know that if in the problem it is given as beginning of each quarter, means we have to take dates 1 4 1 7 1 10 and 1 1. Is it clear? Okay. Each quarter, the partnership agreement provides interest on drawings is 10%. Interest on drawings, it is also clearly mentioned. Okay, now I am going to solve this problem. See here, this format. Before that, we have to write here solution 1, calculation of interest on drawings of Rahman. Calculation of interest on drawings of Rahman. Is it clear? Okay. Next, in 2 steps we calculate the interest on drawings. First step, we calculate total calculation of total product. Right. In second, we calculate calculation of interest. Why we need to calculate the total product? Because in the formula it is given that if we want to solve the problem, we need total product. It is the formula. Afterwards, rate of interest. Afterwards, 1/12. Let us see, nowhere is mentioned total product. In the problem it is not given the total product. Then we have to find. How we have to find? We will see. Okay. Rate also, rate is given in the problem, 10% interest on drawings. 1/12 is the formula. Then we will get a correct answer. Right. Means these two we know that, but we don't know total product. Therefore, we have to calculate. How we have to calculate total product? In the A section, we will see how to calculate a total product. If you want to calculate total product, then take 4 columns: date, amount, outstanding month and product. Right. Date and amount is mentioned, as we know that beginning of, it is given in beginning of each quarter. Right. Each quarter means we know that dates of each quarter. What are the dates? just we saw 1 4, 1 7, 1 10, 1 1, like that only we will see here 1 4, 1 7, 1 10 and 1 1, right. Amount is given 2000. 2000 means each quarter same amount 2000, 2000, 2000, 2000, right. Done. Next, outstanding month. How much outstanding months will become? Just see here in this problem 12 9 6 3. Just see here 12 9 6 and 3. Is it clear? We know already that how it becomes 12 months, because the first drawings he has taken on the month of April, from April to next year ending date, right. How this 12 months will come, sir? Just see here how this 12 months will come. Okay, just see here he has withdrawn in the month of 4th, April month, right. From April month to, just see here, from April month to end of the year, how many months will become? 12 months. Therefore, this should be considered as 12 months, right. Next, see 9 months. How it come 9 months? From 7th month means July. From July, if we calculate to end of the year, there will be 9 months. You may calculate 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, right. If you consider this 6 months, when he has withdrawn the amount in the month of 10th, in 10th month, right. Just see here in 10th month means he has withdrawn in 10th means you have to calculate these months from here 10 11 12 1 2 3 6 months, right. Is it clear? Okay, like that only. Otherwise you can by head these formats in the problem. If it is given beginning of month, you have to take these amounts and these dates, sorry, not amounts, these dates and these months, these amounts, these dates and these months, right. Next step is that we have to calculate product, right. How to calculate product? Just see here amount 2000 we have to multiply with the month, outstanding months. There are 12 months, therefore 2 into 12, 2 into 12, there will be 24,000. Next, 2000 into 9, 18,000. 2000 into 6, 12,000. 2000 into 3, 6,000. Is it clear? Now we have to calculate the total product. How much? That is 60,000. It is called as total product. Now we got the total product. Now we can calculate the interest. Just see here formula, total product into rate into 1 by 12. We know that rate is given in the problem, 1 by 12 is as it is, we keep that, but we don't know the total product. Now we have calculated the total product. Now we can calculate interest on drawings under product method. Just see here 60,000 is the total product, we kept here same as it is because we calculated and we brought that one, into rate. Rate is here in the problem it is given 10%, therefore we take 10 by 100 and 1 by 12 in the formula, like that 500. The answer is 500. Rahman has to pay his interest on drawings to the business rupees 500, right. Let us discuss another one problem. Just let us discuss another one problem. Netra and Tanuja are partners. Who are the partners? Netra and Tanuja, sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. Netra withdrew rupees 3,000. When she is withdrawing, just see here, withdraw rupees 3,000 end of each quarter, end of each quarter. We know that if in the problem it is given as end of each quarter, then we have to follow these dates and these months, right. Okay. Next, come to the again problem. Next, interest on drawings is 12%, right. Calculate interest on drawings of Netra for the year of 2019 and 20. Let us discuss. First we have to take here solution 2, calculation of interest on drawings of Netra. calculation of interest on drawings of Netra. Right. Next, as we know that before we solved in two steps, one steps we have to calculate total product, calculation of total product, another one is the calculation of interest, right. In interest we need that formula is given total product into rate into 1 by 12, but we do not know the total product. If we are going to calculate interest, but there is no total product in the problem, therefore we have to find out the total product from this format, right. See here in this format how to take the entries. Dates we know that end of the each quarter means first date 36 and second date 39 and third 31/12 and fourth one 31/3/2020, means each 3 month gap is there, ending of each quarter. Business starts on 4, 4, 5, 6, end of the 6, and 7, 8, 9, end of the 9, right. 10, 11, 12, end of the 12. Next 1, 2, 3, end of the third month. Is it clear? Amount is given 300 each quarter, means we have to take 3000, 3000, 3000, 3000 and 3000. Same amount, fixed amount is withdrawn at quarterly, right. Now we have to calculate outstanding month. How we calculate? She has withdrawn the first amount 3000 in the month of 6th ending, right. From 6th ending to end of the year we have to calculate. Just see here, it is given like that. Okay. From 6th month she has withdrawn amount, from here to here we have to calculate months. If you calculate, it becomes 10 months, right. Next we have to consider that we do not take this 6 months. Why we should not take that month? Because she has withdrawn on the end of the month. See here, 6th month ending date. Therefore she won't give the interest of the 6th month, because she has withdrawn, she has taken the amount at the end of the 6th month. Therefore she won't give the interest of 6th month. Therefore we have to calculate these months from 7 to ending. Is it clear? How many months will become? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right. Just we have to write here 9 months. Is it clear? Next, second amount she has withdrawn after 3 months, means in the month of 9th, right. Just see here 9 month, from 9 month we have to calculate. See here from 9 month, but we won't take 9 month. Why? Because she has withdrawn the second amount end of the 9 month, right. Therefore 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 months, like that only, right. Second one and third one 3 months and fourth one 0. As I explained before the problem, just end of the quarter means these amounts and these month will come. Beginning of each quarter means these dates and this amount will come in the problem to solve the problem. Okay. Just we know that months. Now we have to calculate product. How we calculate the product? By multiplied amount into outstanding month. Just see here 3000 into 9, 27,000, right, and 3000 into 6, that is 18,000. 3000 into 3, 9,000, and next 3000 into 0 is equal to 0. Now we calculate, we add these all, it is called as total product. How much total product? 54,000. Just observe that formula. We need to calculate interest, total product, rate and 1 by 12. We know the rate of interest 12% and 1 by 12 also available, but there is no total product. Therefore we have to calculate total product like this. After calculating total product, just this total product will comes at the place of total product in the formula. Okay. Now take total product 54,000 into rate 12 by 100, it is given in the problem 12 by 100 and 1 by 12. The answer will be 540. Is it clear? If you like my video, please subscribe and share with your friends. Okay, thank you. In next video I will discuss about third method, when varying amounts are withdrawn at different intervals. Just here also it is given fixed amount. Fixed amount means 3000, 3000, 3000, 3000, right? And here also fixed quarterly means each drawings has 3 months gap. But in next problem there will be once partner withdrawn 3000, next maybe he withdraw 4000, next maybe he withdraw 1000, next maybe he withdraw 5000. Means there will be different amount and dates also will be different, not each 3 months gap, 4 months gap, right? First he has withdrawn on the 4th month, after he maybe after 2 months he will withdraw, otherwise after 3 months, otherwise after 4 months, after 6 months, like that. There will be different intervals, means different dates available and different amounts will be available in that problem. Therefore, we will see that problem in the next video. Thank you.